So now friends, what I'm going to teach Legendre Cauchy differential equation, not equation, actually differential equation. Again, in whole differential equation, this is most important part because for examination point of view. Because if it is there in examination, definitely one question will be there in exam with the highest mark. So please take care. This is so much easy. Just you learn some steps and you can do. I will explain theory. Before I will solve this, I will explain. So actually, how we know this is Legendre Cauchy? This is similar to Euler Cauchy type. Only difference is here ax plus b square multiplied with y double dash. Ax plus b always in multiplication of y dash. Correct? So same like Legendre Euler Cauchy, here you have to choose z is equal to, there we have chosen z is equal to log x. Here in place of x, what we have? Ax plus b. So we have to choose log ax plus b. Friends, a and b value are constant which differ for different questions. So based on given question you can do. So always choose let z is equal to what? Log ax plus b. Then ax plus b whole square y double dash is nothing. You can write a square y a square d1 minus 1 y. What is ax plus by dash? This is nothing a1 a d1y, where d1 means dy dz. So friends, again here same type. Z we converted in terms of log. We have chosen log ax plus b is equal to z. So it means what is ax plus b value? E to the power z. In place of ax plus b whole square y double dash, you have to write a square d1 minus 1y. In place of ax plus b y dash, you have to write a d1y. How? Already I explained in previous lecture. So please, if you don't know, please you can see there how we can convert. So, but to solve the question, always first your work, see what is a and b value. A means coefficient of x. Now I am going to solve the question. This theory please keep in mind. Let for this question, what is there? 1 plus 2x square. Let z is equal to log 2x plus 1. Correct? Because what is a value? 2. What is b value? 1. Here a is equal to 2 and b value is equal to 1. Please keep in mind because that is very important. This implies what is 2x plus 1 value? E to the power z. Now, in place of 2x plus 1 whole square y double dash, what we have to write? A square. A square means 2 square, that is 4 d1 minus 1y. In place of 2x plus 1 y dash, what you have to write? A d1y. A means 2 d1y. So equation 1 becomes, where what is d1? d1 is nothing, d by dz. So becomes what? Equation means 1 plus 2x square y double dash. What we have to put? 4 d1 minus 1y minus 6 2 d1y plus 16y. This is left hand side. Now right hand side. What is there? 8 1 plus 2x square, 1 plus 2x value e to the power z. So its square means e to the power 2z. Now simplify. 4d1 square minus 4d1 minus 12d1 plus 16y is equal to 8 e to the power 2z. Again simplify. 4d1 square minus 16d1 plus 16y is equal to 8 e to the power 2z. Divide by 4. So d1 square minus 4d1 plus 4y is equal to 2 e to the power 2z. This is your equation now. Now we are going to solve. How we solve? We have to write the auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? M square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. What is m value? 2 comma 2. So what is your yc? Yc is c1 plus c2z e to the power 2z. Correct? This is your yc. Now we are going to calculate yp part using variation of parameter. So yp using variation of parameter method. What is your y1? Y1 means coefficient of C1, that is e to the power 2z. What is your Y2? Z e to the power 2z. What is Wronskian? Y1, Y2, Y1 dash, Y2 dash. What is Y1? Simplify. This is your W. What is your RZ? RZ is right hand side, that is what? 2 e to the power 2z. Now you have to use formula. So formula is, what is Yp? Y2 integration Y1 RZ upon W dz minus Y1 upon W dz. What is your Y2? Z e to the power 2z. What is Y1? What is RZ? What is W? What is Y1? What is Y2? What is RZ? What is W? So friends, e to the power 4z, e to the power 4z cancel, e to the power 4z, e to the power 4z cancel. So what we have? We have Yp z e to the power 2z. What is inside? 2. So its value is 2z minus e to the power 2z cancel 2z means z square. So 2z square e to the power 2z minus z square e to the power 2z. What is the value? Z square e to the power 2z. This is your Yp. So solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. What is yc? yc already we calculated, that is c1 plus c2z e to the power 2z. What is yp? Z square e to the power z. This is in terms of z, so you have to write in terms of log x. So what we have chosen, z is equal to log 2x plus 1. Just you put the value. So c1 plus c2, z means log 2x plus 1 e to the power 2z means 2x plus 1 whole square plus z square means log 2x plus 1 whole square e to the power z means 2x plus 1 whole square. This is your answer. So hope friends you understand. So please understand again. I'm going to revise that topic. Always y double dash here multiplied with ax plus b whole square. So whatever coefficient of x is there, when you are going to convert in terms of z, take a square outside. A square, then d1 minus 1 as usual. Y. Ax plus b y dash. That you have to replace by a d1y. So whatever coefficient of x is there, that a, just you put outside. So in place of y double dash, you have to put a square. In place of y dash, you have to put a. Please keep in mind. Nothing is there. And right hand side, because already you have chosen z value log ax plus b. So what is ax plus b? E to the power z. So convert everything in terms of z. Once everything converted in terms of z, then you solve by usual method. By variation of parameter or any other method, whatever you want, you can use. I used variation of parameter because in examination, sometimes variation of parameter, they are asking question. So it will help you if you do much more practice, because mathematics means practice. So please keep practice and finish this all topic. And once you solve complete equation, remember you have to convert again z value in terms of x by using same substitution. Z is equal to log ax plus b. So hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact. Just you give any message in below box. So please, thank you.